happening, everybody? Neil here as usual. So what I have today is a 50 subscriber giveaway hammer. Now I was inspired to do this by my friend Evan up at Oddwood Forge because like him, I didn't think getting to 50 subscribers would happen so fast. I thought it would take forever. Didn't think that many people would be interested in what I'm doing. The video is forging this hammer. Started out, was going to be a rounding hammer. And then on my guillotine tools, one of the welds cracked a bit and led to some travel in the top die, which whacked out one of the fullers on the back. So in order to salvage the project, I decided to go with a straight peen hammer. Now, when I punched and drifted this, which I started on the 23rd of March, and then I put it on the back burner, I had some other things to do. This wasn't a big deal because I was only in the teens on subscribers. I was at 29 subscribers. By the end of the day, Monday, which I was hoping to have all of this done Monday, Tuesday. Anyway, when I went to bed Monday, I was at 42. Now, when I went to bed last night, I was at 50. So the video should be out today. But what happened was the eye was off a little bit, and in straightening it, the face got out of line, and then in bringing the face back in line, then the eye was up because you move something this way and something goes that way. Anyway, so here is that straight peen. You can see the eyes off. The face got a little whacked out as I was doing it. I just don't feel comfortable sending this one out, so I went back to what I was originally going to do, a rounding hammer. It's 4140. The billet starts out at 3.2 pounds. I don't have a scale, so I'm not sure what it weighs, but it's just under 3 pounds, maybe 2 3/4, something like that. So here is the giveaway hammer. It's a rounding hammer. There's your round face. There's your flat face. I left the handle a little long, 16 inches, and a little meaty because some people have bigger hands than I do and like it that way. Now, to enter, you have to be a subscriber, like this video, and comment. If you're outside of the country, I'm sorry, maybe we can talk. But in the current state of things right now, it's been pushing 3.5 weeks since I've been allowed to work, and money is real tight. Shipping across seas is expensive. So hopefully lower 48 is what I'm hoping for. I'm sorry. I feel bad, I really do. Anyway, the video is of me making this hammer because I chased my tail, fixing this problem that led to this problem, and then when I fixed this one, it led back to this one. Anyway, I didn't record this one because I just wanted to get it done because of the sudden explosion in subscribers. Anyway, I would like to thank everybody for their support, subscribing, commenting, all of that. I thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this video. I will see you guys later. Cool off the punch, dip it in beeswax, so next time I pull it out it'll be ready. I have gotten and received my Uncle Buck's C-frame guillotine tool, modified it, finished putting it together. Now, like his other guillotine tool, it's a 3/4 by 1.5 inch die, but I wanted to make this one bigger, so I swapped out for a 2-inch die. So it's a 3/4 by 2-inch die, because that's what I like, is a 3/4 inch fuller. And I did that specifically for hammers, and we're gonna give it a shot. we're starting. Once you get them established, then it moves right along fairly well. Slowly getting there. I'm gonna give it a scrub. Mainly just want to get all the scale out of the fullers I've already started to not forge it down in. Makes it easier to clean up later. And then we'll continue on. I'll rotate 90 degrees. You're line the center of that fuller on the top and the bottom up with both sides. One hit. Pull it out and look. It's fairly critical that you want to get these lined up. Now that we've got those sides started, get it heated back up. Continue on. Alright guys, it's been 2 weeks at least since I started this, and here's where we sit at the moment. Now if you look, this back fuller here has gotten a little wide on me, which is why I stopped. Slightly crooked. The eye will be brought back in line once I get to the point where I'm working on the cheeks. But anyway, I probably should have had this ready. My guillotine tool here, this weld up in here, I didn't clean the coating off of whatever steel it is that he uses for this C-frame down here on the inside. So this weld actually didn't stick to the side and it broke free, and that led to the die travel and wander I was getting. I've gone ahead and redone all that stuff, and I still, hopefully I'm going to pull the rounding hammer out of this. I'm debating whether or not I should just turn it into a cross peen or a straight peen at this point. But I think I'm going to give the fullering another shot, see if I can straighten it up, and then pull a peen out of it. Anyway, so we're going to continue on, see how we make out. I'm going to start where I left off, which is working on the fullers now that I got the guillotine welded back up. Give it a roll over here. So we try to keep everything straight, check to make sure everything is straight. They're not looking too bad. Of course, your eye's gonna squish and you'll drift it back out. Alright, so that weld coming apart on that guillotine tool really pushed those fullers out on that one side of the hammer, and I just don't like the way they look. So I think the best course of action is to turn it into a straight beam. I like straight beams. That was the first hammer I ever made. Put a flat face on it because I didn't have anything flat at the time. So, straight beam it is, I believe. Drift was running away from me. It knew it was its time. Want to knock in these corners, put a chamfer on it, because that'll help mitigate some of the fish mouthing that's going to occur. Still don't have a great pair of tongs for hammers. I made this pair for hammers. But the fit's still not there. Anvil's wobbling again. What I wouldn't give to have a striker for 3 heats. Come on, I just plenished you up. So a little bit of cleanup, plenishing work to do, but Alright guys, well, there we have it. One straight peen hammer. Look at the face. Look at the peen. Oh, there she goes. So, yeah, buddy. Come on, man. We were doing good. Now I gotta see which side was up. It was this one. Ah, down the glove.